Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold gain 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. Google stock saw a minor rise of 0.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The dollar slipped a day after rising on hotter-than-expected US inflation data, as investors consolidated gains ahead of this week's economic data that could shed light on when the Federal Reserve might start cutting interest rates this year. Britain's economy returned to growth in January after entering a shallow recession in the second half of 2023. Offering some relief to Prime Minister Rishi Sunak ahead of an election expected this year, official data showed. Oil prices rose on expectations of strong global demand, including in the world's top consumer, the United States, while somewhat sticky US inflation did not significantly alter expectations that the Fed might start cutting interest rates soon.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US producer price index will be released at 12:30 GMT. Spain's harmonised index of consumer prices at 0800 hours GMT. Finland's consumer price index at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.